anything, let us know. Yeah, for sure.
Good morning. Hey, we're here at Peach Days 2023 in Brigham City, Utah. Rhino Linings and Truck Accessories. We're located at 1575 West, 2550 South in Ogden, Utah. We're actually giving a special today for Peach Days, $100 off your next Rhino Lining. We also own Empire Barbershop in Ogden, North Ogden. As you can see, we're giving away some shirts, TVs. We're giving away, I think we got some stuff in the back too we're giving away.
We have some free t-shirts.
We've got truck accessories that you can see from right here, the deck unit. We have a full functional bed, construction, camping. We got the deck slide. So pretty cool functional unit, locks into place right there. We got a Toyota FJ right here that's been modified. As you can see, we got 43 tires on it. It's called the Pork Chop. This is actually sponsored by Rhino Lining. It's all been modified and custom. As you can see, all the undercarriage is custom made. All the suspension is custom made. We actually took there, you can see that. So pretty cool. Yeah, this thing climbs. We've had it all over Moab, St. George. As you can see, we've made some modifications to the back. If you take a look underneath, that whole suspension has been modified to actually accommodate when we're climbing. Rocks, whether it's mountainsides, fully independent suspension. Yeah, this was made to climb and to have fun. Rhino Lining sponsored it. All custom suspension.
Everything that we do. I think that's cool.
So you want something else to take out?
Well, that's the idea. You don't want stuff sliding back right there. That's the purpose of a Rhino Lane.
There's got to be
Happy medium. So this is my happy medium right there. So that's my happy medium right there. Because before I did all this, I use my truck as a truck.
yeah.
But since this is what I sell, I purchased all this.
Because I literally
Yeah,
use
but
it
there's
as
your
a
happy
truck.
medium right there.
And that's like a medium.
Like a
red,
medium
just
texture.
rough.
Yeah, and this is not too rough. This is about right. It's just a little bit rougher than this. So I would say this is going to be what you're going to be after.
Yeah, because this actually does give it a little. It feels like a little bit of slide.
Yeah.
The old one I had was sticky.
Yeah, so that's a Linux. We don't do Linux.
So the barbershop is located in North
Linux
Ogden,
is
and then Rhino Lining is located.
Yeah, and the technology has come so far now, we don't need to do it. V6, but it's turbo with a super turbo.
No, his truck was next to it.